Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 21. 감사해요. 감사해요, which means thank you. 감사해요 is another way of saying thank you in Korean, but this is considered less formal as compared to 감사합니다. This is a casual term, but this is considered more polite than 고마워. How do we write 감사해요 in Hangul? This is composed of 4 syllables. The first syllable is gam. This is written with join first a giat character, al character, and a miyum character. For the second syllable sa, we need to draw first a siat character followed by an al character. For the third syllable he, we need to draw first a hiyut character and an e character. And for the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound iyang and a yo character itself. We just need to combine these 4 to form the word 감사해요. As of now, we have already tackled 6 terms for thank you or thanks in Korean. 감사해요 and 고마워요 are considered polite, standard form of saying thank you, while 고마워 and 고맙다 are considered informal way of saying thank you. Therefore, on situations wherein we are talking to authority or to our higher-ups, when we are on our work setup, we can use 감사합니다 or 고맙습니다. When we are talking to people we know but are older than us, we can use 감사해요 and 고마워요. And for those that are of the same age as us or younger, we can use 고마워. And with that, you've just learned 감사해요. Now, let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 11 to 20. But don't forget our word for today, word number 21, 감사해요, which means thank you. The first word for our review is word number 20, 고맙습니다. This is a formal way of saying thank you. Next is 고맙다. This is an informal way of saying thank you. Word number 18 is 잘했어. This is used to say stay well. Word number 17 is 잘가. This is used to say go well. Word number 16 is 주세요, which is used to say please or please give me. Word number 15 is 맥주, which means beer. Word number 14 is 돈, which means money. Word number 13 is sagwa, which means apple. Word number 12 is 반갑습니다, which is used to say nice to meet you. The last word for our review is word number 11, 여보세요. This is used to say hello when answering the phone. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul. We're going to discuss about the word 줬다. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 3. 감사합니다, which means thank you in Korean. The word 감사합니다 is the combination of 감사 and 합니다. 감사 means thankfulness and gratitude, while 합니다 means I do or I am. So when you say 감사합니다, it means you are thankful or you are saying thank you. Again, 감사합니다 is being thankful or saying thank you. How do we write 감사합니다 in Hangul? It is composed of 5 syllables, but let's start with the first 2, which is Gamsa. The first syllable Gam is formed from the combination of the Giok character, A character, and Mim's character. The second syllable Sa is formed from the combination of the Siyat and A character. Now let's go to the last 3 syllables, Hamnida. The third syllable Hap is formed from the combination of the Hiya, A, and Biup sound. Even though it has a Biup sound at its ending, it is pronounced as Ham since it is followed by a Nian character on the syllable Ni. Ni is formed from Nian and I, and Da is formed from Dikat and A. 감사합니다. And with that, you've just learned 감사합니다. Now you might be confused between 감사합니다 and 감사합니다. But please know that this romanization is just the same word. It's just 감사합니다. And Giok could be alternatively written as G or K in English. Again, 감사합니다 or 감사합니다, they're just the same word, which means thank you in Korean. Now let's proceed to our word recap. The first word we studied is 안녕하세요, which means hello, in an informal but polite manner. Word number 2 is 안녕하십니까. This is the more formal way of saying hello in Korean. And our word for today is 감사합니다, which means thank you in a formal manner. Congrats! Up next on Dae-Hangul, we will study another word, which is 죄송합니다. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.